Okay, welcome back everybody. I'm about to show y'all how to make a basic and effective thumbnail just out of the app Procreate off of my iPad. Go straight to your picture, bring your first picture in. Now let's just go in and size this up. You want to focus on that eye, that's the main thing. Whatever your main thing is, that's what you want to make sure the biggest and most visible in the picture. Now let's go size this down, not size it down, but make it a little lighter so we can move on to our second layer. And the important thing about this is the hand, so put that on multiply so we can see through the sheet and exactly where we want to place the hand or whatever object you're trying to place. But for me, I'm just trying to get the hand in place. I think I actually may make it a little bit bigger. Move it over I think about right there. Okay, so now we're going to turn off that bottom layer just so we can focus on our hand. Let's go on calligraphy brush with some white ink and give it a basic border around the outside. It don't have to always be bold, anything like that. But sometimes it's needed to be bold to pop out a little bit more. But you always want to make sure that you open a new layer. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's go and turn that layer off. Move back to the hands. Now we're going to freehand and just cut this picture out. They're going to look like a bunch of ants. Just follow those lines. Now we're going to hit the duplicate button right at the bottom. As you can see, it's its own layer now, so you can delete the old layer. Now it's just the hand. And at the top left, you want to click on the wrench, click add, and add text. This way we're going to add our title, or whatever else we want to put in it. Mine for this is going to be I drawing tips. Get all our letters, words down. And we're just going to find a placement of exactly where we want to put them at, or what will be most effective, until you're satisfied with where they are. And I think I'm pretty satisfied with it being right here. Now we're going to duplicate the layer and then go in and change the color of that layer. Right now it's still at the bottom, but it is changing colors. See how that black comes up? Then we're going to go to the left hand corner and go to the blur. See how I give it more of a setback? Now we're going to move on, duplicate the tips, the word tips, and we're going to give it a red background. Let's find the color red. Like I said, it's there. Just slide over. Once you move it, that red is there. But I'm going to show y'all something different when I do the word drawing, so y'all have a better idea. And I just duplicated it and merged them together so it could be a lot brighter. That's why I make sure I do two of them. Might duplicate it again and see how I get a little brighter the more you duplicate. Now we're going to move on to drawing. I'm going to give this one a yellow backdrop. And sorry for you all, because the yellow is kind of hard to see on the screen. But I'll definitely show you all a finished picture at the end. See now, if you all notice, I'm on the bottom layer. And that layer is going to definitely turn yellow instead of using the top layer how we was doing all the other words. And all I got to do, go to the top, slide it over. Same thing how we did every other word. It's the same process. Size it up, get it all together, and then blur it out. Duplicate, it get brighter the more you duplicate. And that's how you want to look at it, like a small thumbnail. That's how it'll show on YouTube. So the more effective it is, small, better chance you got. All you have to go do is go in the top left corner, hit canvas, no, that's share, and share it as a JPEG. And it's just gonna save directly into your camera roll, and you all set. Really appreciate you all for watching, and I hope this was very beneficial to you all. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments below. Have a great day.